Welcome to the Johnson Supply Cafferty Group homeowner menu review of the Daikin ONE thermostat. This does not in any way replace the install operation manual from Daikin. Please refer to the Daikin webpage for any updated information. This is the main display menu of the Daikin ONE. Today we'll be talking about the menu icon in the top right and the 5 icons on the bottom row. The home icon displays the current temperature and allows the mode to be adjusted. The mode could be heat, cool, auto, or off. And when a heat pump is installed, it will add the emergency heat. The Adjust tab allows adjustment to the set points using the screen and not the dial. The Schedule icon will display upcoming changes and display events occurring. Under the Edit, we can do the schedule on or off, edit the schedule. We also have Learn More option. On the Away icon, it allows adjustments to the away set points. We can do the settings away on or off, or enter settings. Under Air Quality, we'll display the indoor temperature and humidity. When Wi-Fi is connected, we'll have the outdoor temperature and humidity, as well as the weather and the display of the weekly forecast. When first turning on Wi-Fi, the outdoor temperature, humidity, and weather may not appear for a period of time. We'll also have the choice of circulate air, on, off, under a schedule, and one clean. One clean will allow us to run the blower on high speed for 3 hours. When the homeowner cleans the home and runs one clean, the blower runs at high speed in order to get all the dust particles down to the furnace and through the air cleaner system. We also have fan speed, low, medium, and high. In the upper right corner, we have menu. In the settings, we have system mode. Here's where we'll have our heat, cool, or auto, or off. In case of a heat pump, an emergency heat option. Under display, we'll have our language, English, French, and Spanish, our degree units, Fahrenheit or Celsius, or brightness, adjustment of a percentage, and we'll have a night mode percentage brightness as well. We'll have font, be in a standard or large size. We'll have our sound bar, checkbox for on or off. Our light bar, a checkbox for on or off. Our screensaver option, type of screensaver or on and off. We'll have a lock. We have a 4-digit PIN now available for the homeowner to lock the thermostat. As a service technician, if you cannot retrieve the 4-digit PIN, you may cycle the power, take you back to the main menu. We also have schedule, enters the scheduling menu. Under the away options for settings, we have the checkbox for geofencing. When choosing geofencing, the phones tied with the app will enter as the geofencing phones. When setting a certain miles distance from the home, the away mode will be entered when all the phones have entered that area. We'll have a comfort tab for target humidity and dehumidification. And we'll have an option for quiet mode to be turned on and off. Please remember, technicians, the capacity priority will be in your menu and not the homeowner's. We have air quality, circulate on schedule, off on schedule, and our interval by 5-minute intervals. We have our fan speed. We now have the addition of a utility demand response. We'll have a checkbox for on. When the signal is received, we can go by offset set points or fixed set points. Choosing offset, we can set our offsets. We also have the number of event limits to be set. And then we have our energy price trigger by kilowatt cost, where we'll enter the energy save mode by amount spent. We also have a configuration for our account information, reset registration, our dealer information. At this point, we may have remote access or no access, remote monitor, or remote edit. Choosing the turn on remote access, we'll have to choose either the monitor or to edit remotely. Although this is on the thermostat and may be functional, we do not yet have the software available. Date and time, we can also set the time zone, and we can set by the 12 or 24-hour clock. We can look at our messages, system components, list all components, version of software, home Wi-Fi, which is a checkbox, and Wi-Fi list. We have an addition of 2 more items. We have a internet connected and Daikin cloud connected. As a technician, you can look at to see if the internet is connected and if the Daikin cloud is being communicated with. If the homeowner is not receiving updates, this is where you'd want to check to make sure you are speaking to the Daikin cloud. You can also have the homeowner enter to make sure they are connected to the Daikin cloud if you're troubleshooting by phone. Here's where we'll see the dealer edit. When we enter here, we'll go into our edit modes for the installer. Thank you very much. We appreciate your time. And again, any questions, please feel free to contact us.